How to continue your downloading in sleep mode in Windows 11. So if you want to continue your downloading in sleep mode in Windows 11, then what you need to do is first you need to click on the search icon and then you need to type power. Once you've entered power, now here you will have edit power plan. Choose the edit power plan and here you will have your power plan settings, right? And here you will see your current plan according to your selection. And here under put the computer to sleep, you will have these two options, right? On battery and on plugged in. And here you need to choose the last option, which is never. And then again, last option, which is never. And on battery and on plugged in, it should be never. And then you need to go for change advanced power settings and you will get a new tab. Now go for the turn off hard disk after. Now it depends on you how many hours or day you want. So let's say if I want my computer not to be turned off for a day, then I will select 1440 minutes. So here you will have 10 or anything. You need to simply remove that and then go for 1440 minutes. 1440 is for 24 hours. And now you can click on apply and then OK. So next time when you will just flip your laptop, it will still continue downloading, and please do not forget to click on save changes. Once you do that, you need to simply click on save changes. And once you do that, now you can simply remove this and then you can restart your computer. Once you've restarted, now your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can continue it downloading in sleep mode in Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.